Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to report the different colleges you've attended. If you've already connected your application, your UC application, to your transfer admissions planner because you applied for a transfer admissions guarantee in September, then I want you to skip on to the next video called Additional Information. If you did not apply for a transfer admissions guarantee, then you don't have to connect the planner because you don't have one. So in that case, go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to show you 3 different examples for reporting colleges to this application. So the first example is going to be outside of the US, the second example is going to be outside of California but in the US, and the third example is going to be in California. So go ahead and forward this video to the one that you need to see. So I'm going to start with outside of the US. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click outside of the US, then you're going to pick the country where you attended school, and then you're going to start typing in the name of the school that you attended. It's better to do a search with a few letters than a whole lot of letters because you'll have more results. If you don't find the school that you're looking for, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're looking for it in the right location. Was it really outside of the US? Was it outside of California? Was it in California? Then check for any misspellings. If you misspelled it, then it's not going to pop up. And then if you still can't find it, then you're going to go ahead and click search again, and then you're going to get this option to manually enter the college. So let's pretend that I went to East China Normal University. If I click on that, then it's just going to ask me, when did I attend, the start date, the end date. Is this the most recent college I attended? Yes or no. What is the grading system? A, B, C, D, F, or 0 to 100, US metric, or is it something different? If it's something different, click other and then specify the grading system. The next question is, during your attendance, did the college's term system, quarter, or semester change? Yes or no. If it's no, just click no and then specify what is the term system. Quarter, semester, semester with winter session. So you specify. Did you receive a degree from this university? You can say associate's degree or other. If you say other, then you'll specify what type of degree you got. And what was the language of instruction? So you'll report the language of instruction. So if you're doing an international campus, this is how you would do that. Now let's pretend I didn't find the campus I was looking for. And these are not my campuses, so I search again, I looked at the spelling, I looked at the location, I still can't find it. So now I get this orange button that says manually enter the college. If I were to do that, now I'd be able to report the name of the college, the city it was located in or province, and then the college type, 2-year versus 4-year. So that's going to be the biggest difference if you're reporting an international campus and you can't find it. Example number 2. So this is for an outside of California campus that is still in the US. So let's pretend I went to school in Arizona. I'm going to start typing in the name of the school, and then I'm going to look for it on the list. If I can't find the name of the school on the list, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that it's in the right location. Was it really in California? Was it outside of California? Was it an international campus? So I'm going to make sure that selection was correct, and then I'm going to look to see if I misspelled it. If I don't see any mistakes, I'm going to click search again, and then I'll be able to manually enter the college's name by clicking that orange button. So if you find the campus, go ahead and select it, and now you report what was the start date, what was the end date, is this the most recent college you attended, what is the grading system like, is it A, B, C, D, F, or is it 0 to 100 US metric, or is it other? If it's other, click on other and specify the grading system. During your attendance, did the college term change from quarter or semester? Yes or no. I'm going to say no. And then you specify what type of term, quarter, semester, or semester with winter session. Did you receive a degree? Maybe you received an associate's degree, or maybe you received something different. So you can click other and then you'd be able to specify. So make your selections. Now, if you were not able to find the campus that you went to on the list, then you would click on manually enter college, and then you would type in the name of the college, the city or province it was located in, and the type of college it was, 2-year or 4-year. Then the following questions are the same. When did you start going to school there? When was the end date? Is this the most recent college? What is the grading system? During your attendance, did the college term system change? Yes or no? And then what degree did you receive? So that's the only difference there. So for my last example, I would teach you how to add a college that is in California. So you type in the name of the college, click on search, and then you see it in the search results, click select, and now you report when you started going to school there, when you ended. Is this the most recent college you attended? Yes or no. What is a college's grading system? It's already been pre-populated in this example. During your attendance, did the college term system, quarter, or semester change? Yes or no. And then what is the highest degree received? This is a California school, so maybe you received an associate degree for transfer, just an associate's degree, or something different like a certificate or something. Go ahead and report your answers and then follow me to the next video.